Winter is the season when our immunity gets weak. There are many factors that can weaken our immunity system, including cold weather, vitamin D deficiency, and holiday diets. Hence, our body needs an occasional detox to cleanse the liver and kidneys. For that purpose, we have an amazing lemonade detox that will significantly boost your immunity. These natural ingredients will supply your body with vitamin C, antioxidants, reduce inflammation, and aid digestion. Check out the recipe. Needed ingredients: 1 teaspoon honey, 1 lemon, ground ginger a pinch, 1 cup hot water, lemon slice. Directions: cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice. If you want, you can add more lemons. Add the cloves, honey, and cayenne. Add water and use the lemon slice to garnish. Let it cool and you can drink it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.